You're lifting heavy, eating protein, and still seeing zero muscle growth. Here's the brutal truth nobody's telling you. If you've been stuck at the same size for months, you're not alone. Thousands of people train hard but make the same critical mistakes that completely kill their gains. Today, we're breaking down exactly why your muscles refuse to grow, and more importantly, how to fix it. Mistake 1: you're not actually in a surplus. Here's the thing. You can't build something from nothing. Muscle requires raw materials, and those materials come from calories. You might think you're eating enough, but your body disagrees. That protein shake and chicken breast aren't cutting it if you're burning more than you're consuming. Track your calories for 1 week. Be honest. Add up everything. Most people who claim they eat a lot are actually eating at maintenance or even below. You need a surplus of 300 to 500 calories above your maintenance to build muscle effectively. Mistake 2: your protein intake is too low. Protein is the building block of muscle tissue. Without enough, your body literally cannot repair and build new muscle fibers. The research is clear: you need roughly 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. If you weigh 180 pounds, that's 144 to 180 grams daily. Not per meal. Per day. Count it. Most people get maybe half of what they need and wonder why their arms aren't growing. Mistake 3: you're not training hard enough. Going through the motions doesn't build muscle. Your body adapts only when you force it to. If you can comfortably chat during your sets, you're leaving gains on the table. Progressive overload is non-negotiable. Every week, you need to push for more. More weight, more reps, or more sets. Your muscles grow as an adaptation to stress. No stress, no adaptation, no growth. Mistake 4: you're skipping recovery. Muscle doesn't grow in the gym. It grows when you rest. If you're training the same muscle groups every single day, you're actually breaking them down faster than they can rebuild. Each muscle group needs 48 to 72 hours to recover. Sleep is when growth hormone peaks and repair happens. 7 to 9 hours isn't optional, it's required. Skimp on sleep, and you're literally stopping your gains in their tracks. Mistake 5: you lack consistency. 2 weeks of perfect training won't transform your physique. Neither will 1 month. Muscle growth is a marathon, not a sprint. You need months of consistent effort, not random spurts of motivation. The people with impressive physiques aren't genetically gifted. They just showed up week after week, year after year, when nobody was watching. They didn't quit when results were slow. The fix. So here's your action plan. Calculate your maintenance calories and add 300 to 500. Hit your protein target every single day. Train with progressive overload, pushing close to failure. Give your muscles time to recover. And stay consistent for at least 3 to 6 months before judging your progress. Building muscle isn't complicated, but it requires precision. Fix these 5 mistakes, and you'll finally start seeing the growth you've been chasing. Your body is capable of incredible transformation. You just need to give it what it actually needs.